Okay, we're gonna dual use the winch on the GX. So got this piece of shrubbery that I want to yank out of here because the wife says it's getting too massive and overgrown. So what better than dig it out? We're gonna try to find another purpose for our 4x4 equipment. All right, here we go. Let's see. Take our hook on our Smittybilt X2O winch. Hook it right on there. Come out here. All locked in. Car control. Snapped in on the side. All right. Okay, remote says that we're wired, we're ready to go. Green light's on. So, put some tension on this baby. Give it a shot.